is it. That's a code. Code life. We outside, you know. Yeah, man, see machine there. Yeah, man, I'm go up on the road, me now ease up. That is it. Yeah, man, that is it. That's a code. Yes, sir. Alright, schemers, here we go on now. You know, the first thing I do when I wake up, you know, sometimes I drink some tea, sometimes I drink some porridge, based on my vibes and my depend, see? But you know, in the morning, you know, tea or porridge morning. It's a campfire morning. Yes, schemers, so we're going to show you how the works here at the time. Yeah, so some morning would I drink tea, some morning would I drink porridge, but this morning, campfire morning. That's a cold. Yeah, man, a Saturday, so we outside, so you know, Saturday is a normal day where lighter than every other day in the week. No, in terms of traffic, in terms of the level of work we do, because Monday to Friday would have been the boss day, and then Saturday, Sunday would have been our day. You see it? Yeah, man, so you know, we not for too pressure ourselves. You see it? On a Saturday, because you don't know we have Monday to Friday, I make the boss money, and another the boss money alone we make. And we make money for the boss, and we make money for ourselves, and then we have Saturday and Sunday again. You see it? So schemers, stay tuned to the vlog and watch what I go on. I show you how the works here. Kill one them kill me at the gate. Yeah, schemers, that is Figo. My partner in crime, me and him do the same word. Yeah, we are chop up the road like mad, you know. We have to go blur out him middle finger. Yes, schemers. So we are going to make you see peace when Figo work, and I make you see with peace when me work. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, schemers, this is Princess Street. We saw the upper yard taxi them one point. So when we left from upper yard, we drive on Slipen Road, come all the way to Princess Street. Come all the way to Princess Street, and then we stop at the intersection of Princess Street and West Queen Street. I will load up back and go up. Schemers, the sun had some of the window them wine up. That is it. You know, we depend on the work I go and do what we do at the daytime, you know? Yeah, man. Schemers, remember to like, share and subscribe. No, not for share, just like and subscribe. That is it, because I realize most of the people that watch the video don't subscribe. So here I go and want to know. Subscribe, it not take no time for us. Press the subscribe button. You see it? Make the page grow. That's a code. See people them I sell market foods in the streets downtown. That is it. You know the work, but you know. Yeah, man, so now I'm there in the traffic. My car basically empty. I don't have no passenger yet. Now I'm there in the traffic, in the line from Princess Street. It's the taxi them there at the front of the line alone. Each time a taxi load, it move and the next man load, and they move and the next man load. But sometimes you have people who are on a taxi. Sometimes you have other vehicles who are on a taxi in the line. You get me? So sometimes we have to move before we even load, or sometimes we have to make whosoever in the line wait a little bit based on how fast the road move. Or sometimes we have pull over if the space there they car and every time space there, but we can pull over. You see it? Schemas is a vlog about my work, you know, a taxi, you know, a Jamaica, this and everybody like for themselves for show up on video, so you know me have to keep it on a level. You get me? Yeah. So that is it. Yeah man, we're still there in the line I go on. Ray. Later on in the vlog, I'm gonna link up with Jamil and Crystal. Yeah man, but now upon the work me there. I mean, I make gonna say how Figo do film work too, because you know me and him do the same job. You see it, so I make gonna say Figo part too. So Schemas, we outside. Yeah, go up, Mr. Black.
Derek, my brother have care up there, so.
Alright.
I go to hospital look for my brother, Ken.
Him dey up there again?
Ken cut off one little finger, broke that one here with one angle grinder.
Ah. Schemas, you know hear that? Oh gosh. I just see that talk about Figo, a female mother that just passed me car and she talk about her brother cut off him finger last night. But Schemas we there same way. I gonna see more after work, and you know sometimes we go up on some local chart and some local divert, some local turn off, so I'm gonna see the whole of that too. So that is it. Place traffic up. Cha. It's a down a town, you know. Schemas, so I'm there here around one part. I check out the fishing beach upon Outer Rockfort. Yeah, me there I check out this fishing beach Outer Rockfort. Schemas, see fisherman go out them there. Fisherman boat, the Schemas. You know we're there in Kingston Harbour. That is it. You know them go out at night time and come out and coming back at morning time. Yes, Schemas, see the harbour, yeah? Yeah, you know have a whole heap of ship that in the harbour. Today Wednesday. Hey. The airport, the way over here far, so let's see if we can get a zoom. Yeah, see control tower there for the airport right over there, so. Yeah man, Schemas, so we're there man, down at fishing beach, down at Rockfort, yeah, you know. Yeah man, I check out the fisherman them and see what happens. Boop! There upon the beach. Catch two fish. We'll swim around. JPS that over this. The JPS power plant that. Yeah. power grid. Mangoes that are a rat. Yes, so Schemas me there on a crossroad. This is crossroad. Yeah, remember me tell you say I go town and crossroad. Yeah, anyway the people them a go that way them go, but you know me rather town because town a bit more let me see. Me load from two sides when I go town. Crossroad me load from two sides, you know, with crossroad, but more people travel town here. So town I go have more taxi on it. But crossroad alright too. Yeah, crossroad is shorter than town, but more people travel to town than crossroad. Yes, Schemas, we're there upon the work, you know. Go and watch the vlog same way.
Schemas! We are road trip! We are deliver bad juice for the poor people.
Come see that slap off some friend and know that's what I think them. Yeah. Cut up like gingers and all that. I'm ready. Be a man of drive for that and that broke up. Yeah, that broke up another chance with that.
That's how broke up. Every car where I drive and that.
I don't know about that. Replace the mirror them and just know see how I
Yes, Schemas today up at Cassia Park. I go up to Red Hills Road side. We just see a truck slap off a man mirror parking vehicle. Lick it off right at
one half a lick off.
A vehicle there talk about. Slap off.
Yeah, that kind of fix up it.
Right. Oh, the way. Yeah, up in the weed yard. What you get then? Yeah, man. Schemas. Them can see it. I say weed yard look good.
I should look real.
Aye. I say. I say, bro. I say, look at it and whiny. Pull up in that weed yard. Yes, Schemas at the weed yard, you know. Think a joke business are going right or so. Schemas, I think a joke business are going right or so. Now weed yard to pull up. Zoom a man here touch the people them care, yeah? I have it on Schemas TV. Man here touch the people them care. Parking lot too close. In the weed yard where I go. Yeah, see weed yard there.
I got a name on it.
Remember that normal weed yard. Watch your man. I think my name the planet. Let me see if I see my name. Chino. Room. Well, I'm gonna fire mine. Sit down. Schemers, I want schemers up there now. Tangy grape, cherry pie. We take it tangy grape. Tangy grape. Bob. Yeah, man, where the name still on the wall. I want a double. The fuck up in that weed yard. No smoking. No smoking. Schemers, seat at 350. 350 for the hot grabber. We get the hot grabber then and this. Yeah man, remember say weed legal now in Jamaica, you know, so. Yeah, we get the thing them well packaged out and thing. Legal for we can burn a 2 ounce, you know. Yeah man, we can get the thing them well packaged out, man. Top Plaza and look who window and man yard where I go again. Top Plaza the way they sell pan nowadays. Well established business outside.
It's not going on there.
Because that's
Richard Pryor say now come on and we go in there.
Listen,
I'm tell you we now.
you see the dog that didn't run come on the car top, man.
But I will run come out like fuck Chris. She reach in the car, we not going in the car now, you know. Me I try fucking pull it down, do the blood clot break can't pull. Oh
That way you run, go.
Me, I go live for tell the tale.
No. Then this time we never know that street.
this yeah out the door around. Come on let the dog behind what I'm saying.
Yeah, that XR.
Yeah.
Worse to say be a road round there. Oh God, them would have hear me about.
And the dog big. The dog big.
The dog did a back?
What? See that thing so we run for now?
No,
Don't tell them
So
that
so run out
name bad.
So run out of the house, out of the
I'm bad
yard.
because them make him bad.
So run out of the yard and pass the gate one wire. Said so we have to go so limbo. Under that rock and get in.
And then they chop off.
You're the enemy.
It was it's gonna give me blood clot.
It is true.
I be a madness them go out with them high people them place, you know.
Hey, you see the daddy that come from here coming.
We're going to turn and I'm going to sit down.
Yeah.
She look over them
Pick
place.
them and take the dog from
And then I'm going to sit down, push up him head just up. Look.
The dog smell fear now. Because when they're going to be
In a she, because me need go.
What you mean?
You know you see me?
Me need go.
Me never.
Me just walk past that, you know.
What?
Me need did a go.
You know, again,
Then the Christians send the ladies for the dog, man. Appear now.
She said the dog cry.
Some of them have blood clot tie up the dog.
And they have the right to let it go.
What do you mean? But
I know.
none of them alone live in the yard.
But
It's a tenement yard.
No, the girl knows
Yeah.
The dog used to the dog used to give them the
That's why
yard.
she come out and
So
in
you
there.
never step across, you know?
two boy run two people.
And the woman, make sure
Body
the
that
room
run
stay.
through the yard.
Hey, stay with this up, pussy. Stay with this up.
And I fear that.
And I said pussy.
What you mean?
And she baptized one year, I'm here. She said pussy.
No, unless I mean say pussy.
I saw her more little bit of light.
She add on for the story.
Me a look on the dog while
Alright,
you
done. Cause you're add on. We know what
Brother,
to add on.
what you call that? Pothole, I be a water in the you know.
Rain fall along there.
You see, we didn't ever fucking afraid of roads. If we didn't ever afraid of roads, we would never catch back in that yard there. That's it.
Who will catch you back and I say, I plan to go back in there?
No.
You start choosing roads wisely, you know?
What me say? You know, you're not going to cut this fuck. You're not going to go.
Acha. Shuma. But the thing is, me neither go in the yard. Me neither go in the yard. So me make sure, me glad them come.
Ricky say on I can say
So you never call her phone, you never remember?
Ricky Lowe will defend himself.
The same 346 number.
Survival at
The amount of number call my phone at the time, my number is supposed to be way down a yonder. And then me have to try remember the number.
I thought the principal on the phone and I say Jola gone and I say shit. I remember call her at the same time.
Steamy!